Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see card number in your Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Tap the card you want to check. In the top right corner, tap the three dot or information icon. This opens the card details screen. Here's the important part. For security reason, Apple do not show your full card name in the wallet. Instead, you will see last four digits of your card or device account number, card issue and bank information. This is normal and helps keep your card secure. If you need to the full card number, you must check outside of Apple Wallet. You can find it by looking at a physical card. Open your bank or credit card app, log in using your bank website, check a card statement. Apple Wallet does not store or display the full name. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.